The first step is to duplicate the original image. You can duplicate a layer by simply pressing Ctrl J on Windows, Command J on the Mac, and I will do that 2 times. And I'm going to just work on top layer. What I am going to do is select subject. In the latest version of Photoshop we have subject selection button, which allows you to automatically make selection out of the main subject of the image. So click on select subject. It worked good but not perfect. You can hold shift key or click in this icon here to add the selection. Just click and drag to add the selection. Use bracket key to change the size of brush. Click Alt key for subtract from select. Now click on the layer mask icon so that I can create a layer mask on this element. That means that the selection would become a layer mask. It will hide the background of image. Next step is to remove subject from background. For that, just click on layer mask with Control key, select the below layer, and now expand the selection to make it larger so that the selection edge is past the edges of main subject's body. And the way that we're going to do that is by going into Select, Modify, Expand. This window comes up and all you need to do is select a number of pixels to expand by. In this my picture is high quality, I select 10. And click OK. What you really want to do is to make sure that you have a space between him and background. And now we need to remove the subject. For that we need to open Fill dialog box. For that, go to Edit menu and Fill. That will bring up this dialog box. In the contents, choose Content Aware and click OK. That will make disappear you selected subject. Just press Ctrl or Command D to deselect. By the selecting second layer, go to the Filter menu, Blur Gallery, and Field Blur. And that gives us this point that we can click and drag and place anywhere that we want. I can increase and reduce blur. But obviously, the effect is not very realistic because he would need to be in focus in the area where he's standing on. So I click on the area that he is standing on and reduce or increase the blur. So now there's a smooth transition between the focus area and the out of focus area. And click OK.